Introducing the Evans Kitchen by Spacewood, a perfect blend of modern design and urban elegance. Designed with a foil finish and a beautiful tray and flute pattern. Firstly, at the cooking unit, you'll find a cutlery drawer, a spices drawer, and a large utensils drawer. It features base cabinets with normal shelf units. Also includes 3 multi-purpose drawers, perfect for storing a variety of kitchen items. A rolling shutter unit keeps appliances neatly tucked away while maintaining a sleek look. The smart cube units offer additional storage solutions. The crockery units provide an elegant space to display and store your dishes, while lift-up cabinets make accessing overhead storage effortless. The kitchen also features a small vegetable bowl sink. For a seamless and modern look, the kitchen includes built-in appliances with convenient storage shelves above and below. Visit Spacewood Dehradun and bring home your dream kitchen